Here's the close-up for the exercises that we did in feet series seated part 1. The first one that we do is big toe lift. Big toe lift. Big toe lift. And then all the other toes lift. I'll call it 8 toes lift. And then fix your big toes. Spread the rest of your toes. Spread them wide. You can also tie a band around your big toes here. I'll show you. Right, you tie the rubber band around your big toes to keep your big toes in place as you work the others. And then we have the feet tap. The tapping of the feet has to come from the ankle joint. I'll show you. From the ankle joint and not from your toes. Not like that. Okay? From your heel, from your ankle. You lift the whole foot up. Okay? If you have a tendency to curl your toes back, try to relax your toes. Slowly focus on the movement in the ankles, in the ankle joints. The ankle joints are between, I'll show you, these 2 bones here, right in there. Okay. And then the next one, the fourth one, is you lift and then you swing your feet. Oh, the camera's out of focus. Swing your feet in and out like this. Notice that my knees don't move, my thighs don't move. And I'm moving from the lower part of my legs. From this bone we call tibia, right, the lower leg. I'm doing this exercise from those bones. Okay. My thighs don't move.